Hey YouTube creator, so I have a big news for you. As a vidIQ affiliate member, I have just received an exclusive 90% off coupon just for my audience. Yes, exactly 90% off on the vidIQ Boost plan. So usually the vidIQ Boost plan costs $19 for a month, but using this special coupon you will just get it for $1.9. So this is insane, man. This will help you grow your YouTube channel faster than ever. So using vidIQ you can generate unlimited videos, ideas and scripts. You can now even generate YouTube thumbnails using it. You can find unlimited keywords. You can optimize your existing videos and you can analyze your competitors. You can even get advices from experts and you can talk with AI bot to get suggestions about your channel. So to claim this deal, just click on the special link provided in the description and you can sign up to the vidIQ or you can log in, and then you will see a screen and here you can click on upgrade and you will have to select the boost monthly plan and you can enter the coupon code. I am not showing the coupon code in the video because it may change later on, so I am just providing you the link. You can click on it and you can see the code and just claim the deal and you will be able to get the vidIQ for 90% off, and you can save this page. I will be adding more coupons later on, so keep checking the upgrades and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.